I want to know, if you were designing a promise cover, what pictures would you put on it? So why don't you take out your crayons and start designing a promise cover with your sheet of paper and your crayons or your colored pencils. And then after you make a pretty heading, I want you to think of what things, what pictures of your neighborhood you would put on a promise cover that you designed. All right? So let's say that you had a promise cover that looked something like this. I'm being silly. It doesn't have to be exactly the same as the one here, right? So if you start out with a promise cover like this, what pictures would you draw or take of your neighborhood to put on your cover? Can you guess what I would draw? Right now, because it's cold outside, I would draw something that looks like this. Can you tell what that's going to be? Let's give it some arms. And how about 3 things like this? What do you think those things are? They look like pieces of coal to me. There are some pieces of coal in its mouth. What could it be? What do you think that thing is? You know what it is by now. I bet you do. Yes, it's a snowman. Should we give him a top hat like Frosty? So what would you draw, or what pictures would you take of your neighborhood to put on your Promise Weekly? Let me know.